Are you an Apple enthusiast? If yes, then there is some great news for you. Apple has finally announced the date of its much-awaited event. It is going to take place on September 9 this year. Apple is also expected to launch the much-talked-about iPhone 16 series in this event. So, watch the video to know more about it. Apart from the iPhone 16 series, Apple is also expected to unveil Apple Watch Series 10 and Apple AirPods 4. The tech giant will also finally reveal the availability dates for iOS 18 and other latest software updates. The event has a tagline of "It's Glow Time," which could be a reference related to Apple Intelligence. The upcoming iPhone 16 series will be the first from Apple to feature artificial intelligence out of the box. The event will take place at the Steve Jobs Theatre and will be live streamed on YouTube. For people planning to watch this launch online, can stream it on YouTube at 10:30 p.m. IST on September 9, 2024. Based on rumors, the new iPhone 16 series will include 4 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Apart from the product launches, another thing that is making news is Apple Intelligence, the company's all-new AI push through its latest gen hardware. It is expected that Apple will reveal more details about it at the September 9th event. That's all for today. We will keep getting you all the updates about the event as and when they come. So, stay tuned.